शुरू करो LM English School Sakri Madhwari, class 10th, subject chemistry, topic chemical reactions and classification of chemical reactions. First chemical reaction, the chemical reaction is the process in which the new substances having different composition and properties are formed. Number 2, classification of chemical reactions. Number 8, combination reaction. That reaction is called as combination reaction, in which two or more compounds combine to form a product. A combination reaction is represented as follows. First, CaO, means calcium oxide, plus water, hydrogen oxide, is equal to calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is also to be known as lime water. Second, 2H2 plus O2 is equal to 2H2O. Form water. 2H2O means two molecule of water. Third, N2 plus 3H2 is equal to 2NH3 ammonia gas. This arrow is known as a gas. Second, decomposition reaction. That reaction is called as decomposition reaction, in which one compound changes into two or more simple substances, as calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is also to be known as limestone. When heated, then it forms calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Second, 2KClO3. 2KClO3 means potassium chlorate, and it forms heated, then it forms chloride. Chloride means two potassium chloride, when two molecules of potassium chloride. Potassium chloride. First chlorate KClO3, second chloride plus 3O2. 3O2 means oxygen gas. Note, decomposition reactions are carried out by the action of heat and electricity. The third, displacement reaction. That reaction is called as displacement reaction, in which one atom or a group of atoms of one compound is displaced by one atom or group of atoms is called displacement reaction, as copper sulfate CuSO4 plus Zn is equal to ZnSO4 plus Cu, in which Zn is more reactive than copper, because Zn is also a metal and copper is also a metal. The Zn, zinc, is more reactive metal than copper. Second, 2HCl plus Zn, the ZnCl2 plus H2, hydrogen gas. Third, copper sulfate plus iron, Fe. FeSO4 plus Cu. Copper sulfate plus iron is equal to ferrous sulfate plus copper. Copper sulfate. Fourth, double displacement reaction. That reaction that reaction is called as double displacement reaction, in which ions are mutually exchanged. First, AgNO3 plus NaCl. AgNO3 means silver nitrate plus NaCl, sodium chloride. Then both are react with each other, then it forms a new substance, NaNO3, means sodium nitrate. AgNO3 means silver nitrate changed into sodium nitrate, and NaCl changed into silver chloride. Third, BaCl2 plus H2SO4, so BaSO4, barium sulfate plus HCl, hydrogen chloride. Fifth, oxidation and reduction. Oxidation is known as oxycurrent and reduction is known as avcurrent. Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction process take place simultaneously. That's why the reaction is called reduction oxidation reaction, or this both reaction is also to be known as redox reaction. As oxidation means it is a process of addition of oxygen. Oxidation means addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. Second, reduction, it is a process of removal of oxygen. Removal means हटाना, और addition of hydrogen, माने हाइड्रोजन को जुटना. ठीक है? As carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide. Second, 2 Mg plus O2, 2 MgO. Third, PbO plus C, so Pb plus CO.